Hey, what's up, guys? I've got a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 elevation 5.3 four-wheel drive. The usual, just regular everyday pickup. I'm gonna do an oil change on it. So we got 0W20 oil. Looks good. Okay, and that's what I bought. I bought a Mobile One full synthetic. Okay, so up under the truck, get the oil filter and the drain plug right here, right behind this cross member. You don't have to remove any of these plastics. It's right behind all that. So very easy to get to, and like I said, this is the four-wheel drive. All that's out of the way. You don't have to worry about none of that. So first I cracked this loose with a 15 millimeter. And this is still pretty hot, but there she goes. I just pulled the oil filter off, the drain plug's out. Everything's draining out, pretty full. So now I'm just gonna clean everything up real quick with some brake parts cleaner, and then put the new oil filter on, put the plug back in, and I'll show you how to put the oil back in up top. All right, so now I've got that all cleaned up. I put the drain plug back in, and now I'm just going to put the new filter on and then start filling up from the top. Also, another little tip is, after you have everything snugged up, you don't want to torque it down, because you don't want to blow out any kind of seals or get it to where it's never going to come back out. So what I do is I do it hand tight, and then, or for the drain plug itself, I actually do it hand tight and then just go a little bit more. I don't go to like any torque spec or anything like that, but same thing with the filter. I do like finger tight and then just do a little bit more, so it's tight but it's not gonna like get stuck on there forever. So it's 8 quarts capacity. So I've got a 5 quart jug right here that I'm definitely going to use all of it. Okay, so that's 1 equals 5 quarts, so we need to add 3 more. Got another 5 quart jug. So if you look on the side of this, it says quart on this side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. An actual line is up here. It's right here actually. So I'm gonna go from here. We need that one, that one, that one. So then it'll be down to there when we're done, and that'll be 8 total that we're putting in. Check it. See, that was 1 and a little over 3/4. check it again. Almost there. It looks almost the same. Check it one more time. Damn near close. So then I'm gonna take this, grab me another rag. Use my dipstick over here. It's on the front side of the cylinder head. Pull it out, wipe it off. What I do is I wipe it off one time and check to see where about it's supposed to be. Put it back in all the way till it clicks. So that's seated correctly. And that's perfect. Right there at the line. So as you can see, I just reset my oil life. You can scroll through these things and it shows you a little bit of what's going on. Tells you your brake pad life, fuel economy, engine hours, transmission fluid. It's got a lot going on. But yeah, so all you gotta do, literally all you do is go to that and then go to your button and hold it, and then it'll reset for you. But now I'm gonna go recheck the level of my oil. Now that I have turned the motor on and let the oil circulate a little bit, I'm gonna recheck the oil level. So grab the dipstick. I always wipe it off first. After it's running, it splashes up on my dipstick a little bit, and I've never got an accurate reading, so I always check it one time, or I wipe it off one time, then I put it back in, let it seat all the way down, and then check it. And it looks good. So now, we're all set. Oil's changed on the 2020 GMC 5.3 Sierra. It's elevation 4-wheel drive. None of that matters actually. So it's 0 W20 full synthetic. They say it's good up to like 7,500 miles. I don't go that far. This is thin oil, so usually like 5 is the most I'll push it. And you know, I've always grown up with, you know, 3,000 is where you're supposed to change your oil at, so it's hard for me to even do 5. But there you go. That's the oil change in a nutshell for the 2020 GMC. See y'all next time.